everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we install our Android screen in a Range Rover Sport 2016. That's a supercharged Range Rover Sport. It was full equipped with all the equipment such as navigation, backup camera. That's how the screen looks like. Right now we are doing the Apple CarPlay. It's fully touch. You can use the Apple CarPlay, you can use Google Maps, and by clicking on Land Rover you can go to the aftermarket mode, and that's the white mode. We do have the black screen too, and this is the factory side of the unit. Used to be buttons here on left side and right side, and they're replaced with a touch screen. They're all functioning. You can go to the settings, you can use the touch. That's the setting. You can go to the mode, you can go to the audio, and also you can go to the phone, and by clicking on home it goes to the aftermarket mode. And you can go to the apps. Google Store is here, Play Store. You can download any apps you want, and by clicking on our auto kit you can do Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, depends what type of phone you connect to the USB dongle. And by going to reverse, it retains the factory backup camera without any problem. The unit is super fast. This is the second generation of the unit. It's 1920 resolution, 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of hard, and it's blue screen. That's the RPM and the speed, and you can play video by going to the media. You can play video full HD 1920. If you're interested to get these type of screens, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can buy them online from 4x4shop.ca. Also, we do have some instruction for installation, so if you have some questions you can give us a call. We do the full tech live support, and also you can have access to our private videos. That's only for our customers. They're all private videos for installations, and you can have access to them. Thank you and have a great day.